is a punishment.
I am Chieze, and for the sake of love I have for Ulimma, I can do anything.
But I will not marry Amandi. If I do not marry Chieze, I will die.
Then, prepare to die!
If you do not accept this price, I will go and live with him without any right being performed.
Someone told you that Chieze impregnated my daughter? It can never be true, but I will find out. If I fail to make it, I want you to marry for love. Impossible!
Are you aware that my brother, that you've hoped all your life for to be his bride, is on his way to another woman's house to ask for her hand in marriage?
Why is this life so complicated? Because you are not fit to be my son-in-law.
You are heartless. You made that boy go through pain and toiling, yet you are set to deny him the fruit of his labor.
Amanze said this is the second time that Ulimma will disgrace them before everybody, including the musicians they brought home. I have chosen Nwaka and she has accepted me back.
Lele Onyenka, Lele. Look at Care to call him pot black.
Keep your mouth shut. Men are talking here. Why did you stop? Think on! That girl needs to be taken to Mpologo, the Dibia.
9. The agreement was for him to do the work and marry Ulimma. However he does it is none of your business.
I never knew you could be this kind and considerate.
Love is not selfish.
I'm still baffled how the gods found Akwabata worthy and chose her as their Agbala.
Speak! Where are you going to?
It's just a song that I go there to sing.
Oh, for helping him in any form at all, he has failed!
Despite how I pleaded with you, Chinwe, you still went ahead to confess your love to Chieze. Are you this cheap? Are you?
What are you? Now I can see that both of you have gone mad.
If the gods decree that Ulimma will be my bride, you have no choice. Impossible!